Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Matic video. Quick update on what's happening with Matic, because I know that a lot of people want to know why did we dump. But it's right now 4% up, so it is showing some kind of strength. I'm going to explain to you what's happening down here. Let's go to the daily time frame. You will see here on the daily time frame that we had big moves towards the upside. Right, we came to this level up here. I was actually expecting this to just break this and continue towards the upside, but maybe that was a little bit too optimistic, and that would mean that we will go into some kind of parabolic move pretty quick. So I think this consolidation phase and a move towards downside is nice, because right now we are slowing this parabolic move that's about to come, and we are extending this move. So the parabolic move can actually be bigger, because I assume that we just started going up here over here. That would mean that this parabolic move is coming already towards the end up here. But right now it looks like this parabolic move might actually postpone a little bit and go even higher afterwards. So that this might prolonging over here and not actually just bouncing right up here towards top might actually make this the top a lot higher than it was actually could have actually been if we had pumped prior to that. Now there is a question I want to ask you guys, because I don't get it. You can see here on the daily time frame that we went down with this line with this on this week all the way down to 127, because this week is going all the way down to 127, right? You can see it right you can see it right up here on the 127. But if you go to the 4-hourly time frame or something like that, right, you'll see that the week only goes down to 175. So what gives? I mean, this is 175, this is 172. Like on the daily time frame it shows the wick down here, but there is no daily wick down here, right? So I don't get it. I don't get it what gives. So if somebody can explain me down there in comments why some wicks on the daily time frame goes all the way down to 172 where our support is, and the 4-hourly is not actually there, it's actually only down at 172. I'm happy to accept any kind of explanation for that, because I don't have any kind of explanation. I mean, there should be some kind of wick on the 4-hourly going all the way down to 172, right? I just don't see it. I don't get weekly down there, right? Daily is down there. I understand, but 4-hourly suddenly up. Nope, not there. Maybe 8-hourly. Maybe let's go see here. Nope, not even 8-hourly. So doesn't matter. Okay, let's explain what's actually happened here. And we went straight up. We went into some kind of consolidation here. There is some kind of triangle up here. Unfortunately, we fell out of the triangle to the bottom side. Down here, I was actually expecting 172 or 168 to be a support, and on the daily time frame they were actually support. You can see here we went down to 172 and bounced right off of that. So all good and all nice so far. So what's happening right now? Well, right now there is a very crucial moment for Matic that Matic has to do. It went down, it hit some kind of support, it bounces back, it needs to get back inside the triangle. So it needs to move inside the triangle first, and preferably get out on the upper side. Now my view on the Matic has always been this is gonna go here sideways, it's gonna go to the downside, hit support, and just blast right off. And that's still what I'm looking at. I'm looking for this to be some kind of spring effect that's actually gonna blast off Matic like to a really high levels. So pretty soon. But to do that, you can see here also on the 1 hour that we are also trying to climb the moving averages, getting into the triangle and getting above the triangle and towards the upside. So it's only a matter of time, because from what I see that this is actually gonna go towards the upside. The bearish scenario, and there is no reason to have the bearish scenario, but assuming that if we had been in some kind of bear market, for example, right, and this had played out, what we would have a looked at is this to get rejected and then bleed slowly towards downside, and as soon as it falls closes below this level down here at 177, that would be like shorting level, because it's gonna go a lot longer down. So you don't want to do that. So even here in a bull market, in a bullish trend, you don't want to get rejected by this resistance up here. You don't want to get rejected, and even if you get rejected, you want to continue going towards the upside. So you don't want to get rejected and go past this level on the downside down here. Okay, you don't want to do that. If you get rejected, you want to do something like this and then go up, but you never want to go back below this level down here again, because if you do that, especially if you get rejected here and you do that, that means that you are looking at lower levels after that. So that will be some kind of bear scenario, it's some kind of bear market. But right now it's a bull market. We are going towards the upside. The most probable outcome, the way I see it right now, is this: to get inside the triangle, get outside the other side, and just continue towards the upside. I think this was some kind of fake out, some kind of sell off, just to pick up some kind of liquidity down here and then go towards the upside. Overall, there is no problem. Matic is looking nice. I think it needs to pull up above these moving averages eventually, right? But as long as it doesn't fall back below here, down here, anything above these two levels is fine, guys. Anything above two levels is fine. It can continue like this for forever. Don't fall below 177 though. You know, it can go a little bit sideways up here, but I think most likely outcome is towards the upside. We're gonna see how this actually play out, so come back tomorrow and stuff like that, but it looks fine. It looks fine. It says a pullback right now, of the pullback having a nice move towards the upside. We're gonna see how much it can actually climb. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit the like button if you're not haven't hit the like button. It helps out with the algorithm. Check down the Patreon link down below. We do daily altcoins video. We got a nice Telegram community and stuff. So if you wanna know about what's happening with other altcoins, check that out. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye bye.